So for this, we're going to learn how to fill in the blanks. So if I give you 8, 9, 10, 11, and ask you to fill in those 4, what would you put? You would put 12, 13, 14, and 15. That seems obvious though, right? But you realize these are all in base 10. So that's the easy example. You're going up by 1, but you notice when you've ran out of all your digits in base 10, you repeat it. So you go from 9 with this, which is 0, 9, up 1 more digit to 10, but we don't have a special digit for 10 in base 10, so we have to move the place values over. So we'll start with example 1. So if you want to solve or fill in the blanks for 40 base 5, 41 base 5, and fill in the blanks for the rest. So we know that it starts off with 40 base 5 and 41 base 5. What's the next number? Well, continue the pattern until we get to something that has a 5 in it. So we get to 42 base 5, 43 base 5, 44 base 5, 45 base 5. And now you should see that there is a big problem here, because you can't have a 5 and a base 5. What you need to do in this case is to change it and carry over the place value. So this gets replaced as 50 base 5. We have that exact same problem now. You can't have a 5 base 5, just like you can't have a 10 base 10. You can have a 1, 0 base 10, but not a 10 base 10. So we have to do something again. Move the place value 1 more. So now we're left with 100 base 5, which is fine. And what's going to be the number after 100 base 5? And the number after the number after that is 102 base 5, 103 base 5. And what's the number after 104 base 5? 105 base 5. But look at this problem. So that gets replaced as 110 base 5.